Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some ways to fix a Chromebook that won't turn on or won't boot up. This can be a frustrating problem, but don't worry, there are some simple solutions that you can try. Let's get started. First, you need to check if your Chromebook is charging properly. Sometimes, the problem is just a low battery or a faulty charger. You can tell if your Chromebook is charging by looking at the small LED light near the charging port. It should be either solid or blinking, depending on the model. If you don't see any light, try using a different charger or a different power outlet. If your Chromebook still isn't charging, then there might be a problem with the battery or the charging port. Next, you need to remove any external devices and accessories that are connected to your Chromebook. These include USB drives, SD cards, headphones, mice, keyboards, etc. Sometimes, these devices can interfere with the boot process or cause conflicts with the operating system. After removing them, try turning on your Chromebook again. If your Chromebook still won't turn on, you need to try a hardware reset. This will clear the memory and reset the hardware settings, but it won't erase any data on your device. To do a hardware reset, follow these steps. Make sure your Chromebook is turned off and unplugged. And hold the refresh key and the power button at the same time for about 10 seconds. Release both keys and wait for your Chromebook to restart. If your Chromebook turns on, but the screen stays black or shows an error message, you need to try recovery mode. This will reinstall the Chromos on your device, but it will erase all your data and settings, so make sure you have a backup of your important files. To enter recovery mode, follow these steps. You need another computer and a USB flash drive or an SD card with at least 8 GB of space. On the other computer, download the Chromebook Recovery Utility app. Open the app and follow the instructions to create a recovery media for your Chromebook model. Insert the recovery media into your Chromebook and turn it on. And hold the S key and the refresh key and then press the power button. Press release all keys when you see a message saying Chromos is missing or damaged. Follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall the Chrome OS on your Chromebook. That's it. You have successfully fixed your Chromebook that won't run. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.